Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can see muted account on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can see muted accounts on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can see your muted accounts on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from your profile page, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, select Settings and Privacy. And here, you'll see below the muted accounts. Simply tap on it. In here, this is where you'll see the muted accounts. But in here, you haven't muted anyone. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see muted accounts on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see your muted accounts on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.